Oh, pwedeng tikitan na lang ako kasi
Hindi po.
aalis kami bukas.
Pasensya na po kayo. Pag pinagbigyan ko kayo, pati yung taga City Hall, pagbibigyan ko. Ayan na.
It's only a matter of like minutes, 2 minutes.
No.
No, actually, ang masakit sa no? It's just so happy na we've been doing this, we're clearing all the roads all over Metro Manila, and the thing is, from time to time, ganun pa rin.
Do you know what's the problem?
What's the problem, sir?
Ang kasi baka pwede siya magpapaano sana ako. Tigit na lang.
Hindi po, lumagpas na po ng 5 minuto eh. Nanggaling ako doon, binalikan ko na nga kayo eh. Masyado matagal na po ang tagal ng
Baka
hinihintay.
pwede siya pwedeng tikitan na lang ako kasi
Hindi po.
aalis kami bukas.
Pasensya na po kayo. Pag pinagbigyan ko kayo, pati yung taga City Hall, pagbibigyan ko.
Hindi po, magpapatikit na lang po ako.
Kaya nga po, yung taga City Hall, tinuko po eh. Kasi lumagpas ng 5 minuto. Pwede, gusto mo makita natin yung video? Pag hindi lumagpas, bibitawan ko. Kasi alam naman natin lagpas na yan. Kasi ang tagal ko na, galing na ako sa kabilang dulo eh.
Hindi sir, kasi
Wala ba kayong garahe?
wala ako kasing dito.
Ang problema natin, ang complaint nyo galing 8888. Ibig sabihin po nun, galing Presidential Complaint Hotline. Cooperate na lang po tayo. Kung ayaw nyo po, kung ayaw nyo ibigay yung susi para may angat natin yan, pwede ko pa palitan ng tow truck, flatbed. Pakialis nyo, pakuha nyo na rin yan. Pabalik ka nga na isang flatbed.
Sir, excuse me po.
Opo.
Pwede magtanong.
Opo, sige po.
Like for example, you have towed our car here.
Yes.
And then, is it possible that you can have it released also the same day? Kasi
Yeah, of course. You can get the car immediately. Probably when it arrives in Tumana, Marikina, kung makakasama kayo, if you want to accompany the vehicle there, you can have it processed and you can release it immediately.
Okay. Can I request to see the video? Para
Sure.
lang,
Oh, yung video daw ng tow truck. Kung ilang minuto na. But I'm pretty sure it went beyond 5 minutes because I came from there. I went there to the dulo. Bumalik po ako. So that's more than 5 minutes.
Okay. Yes.
6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Okay.
Ayan na.
It's only a matter of like minutes, 2 minutes.
No.
No, but
Protocol-wise, we
Okay.
only give 3 minutes. Personally, we extended it as a precedence because we've been doing that for quite some time as a humanitarian consideration.
Right.
We extended it to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Humanitarian. But then again, you exceeded it
2 minutes.
6 minutes and 10 seconds.
1 minute and 10
Opo.
seconds.
So, hindi na namin pagbibigyan po yan, ha? Saka the fact na your street is a two-way zone, paano po dadaan ng kotse kung may nakapark doon?
Actually, ang masakit sa no? It's just so happy na we've been doing this, we're clearing all the roads all over Metro Manila, and the thing is, from time to time, ganun pa rin.
Do you know what's the problem?
What's the problem, sir?
Because people lack the self-discipline. People lack being sensitive to other people because they just want the comfort for themselves. It's not about we've been doing it for quite some time, paulit-ulit. Yes,
Yes,
because
paulit-ulit.
nasanay ang mga tao. Tulad po niyan, I don't know kung kanino po yan.
I think the system itself. I think
Yes,
the system
yes,
itself.
yes. It's also about the system.
Let's given, no, lahat ng tao dito may mga motor vehicle. How
Oh.
they could park. And we cannot tell them, don't park here. It's in front of their houses.
You can because you do not own the road in front of your house.
We know that, sir. But the thing is, as I'm saying earlier, it's the system itself.
Both ways, the
Yeah.
system needs to improve.
Yes.
People need to start
Yes.
improving themselves also. Case in point, this vehicle,
Okay.
considered stalled, abandoned. If you are a responsible owner, would you leave it here? Even though it's an old car? No.
Yes.
Diba? If you're a responsible driver,
Sinasabi ko, sir,
you have to park your vehicle in a
sinasabi
place
ko,
that
sir,
is,
I think yung 5 minutes natin, yung 3 minutes plus 2 additional 2 minutes for humanitarian cause, I think you have to, like for example, kami po, nandyan, natutulog lang.
Kung ako po ang masusunod,
Oo.
kung ako po masusunod, I would not give any 5 minutes consideration already. As long as you're illegally parked, we issue a ticket, the driver does not come out, we will tow the vehicle. Same case.
Are these doing all the streets here?
Yes, kung saan po ang mga
Lahat po?
complaints, yes.
Oo, lahat ng ng ano.
Pwede nyo rin i-complain yung kabilang street if you want. Kasi
so, walang complaint doon.
sa ngayon, wala.
So, pwede sila mag-park doon.
If approve ang
So,
ordinance.
yun yung sinasabi natin.
Yun ang sinasabi
Yun ang
ko.
sinasabi
I have to
natin.
explain it to you also
Yes.
because you have the misconception that all streets are allowed to park because it's public use. But then again, there is what we call a city ordinance that is being approved by the city council if they will allow a one-side parking or whatever parking scheme. So then again, this road specifically does not have any parking ordinance. For one reason, it's because this is a two-way street. So technically, two-way papunta doon, one-way papunta doon, one-way palabas dito.
Yes.
If there are vehicles parked on either side of the road, how will it become a two-way?
Okay.
Diba? People have to be more considerate also of other people.
Let's move doon sa ating...
Sige po, paano na
Pwede
lang?
nang paalisin para masundan namin.
Opo, ayaw po ibigay susi kasi papapalit ako ng tow truck. Pabigay na po kasi para hindi tayo tumagal.
Para masundan mo. Para pwede niyang sundan.
Pwede.
Ako magmamaneho, sir.
Ay, hindi po. Nakatow po yan. Nakaangat po yan.
So, saan ang diretso niya, sir?
Tumana, Marikina.
Tumana. And then, from Tumana, anong gagawin
You just have to present your ORCR,
Okay.
your driver's license,
Okay.
pay your penalty, then off you go.
So far, yung penalty
I cannot
natin
give you the actual estimate because there's what we call a kilometer. So initially
Kilometer
there's
from here?
yes. First
Going
four
to
Tumana.
Tumana.
Yes. First
Okay.
4 kilometers is about 1,500. Then there's a succeeding for every kilometer.